This video is on a 2007 Mazda 6 V6 cleaning the throttle body. This video is part 2 in my tune-up series. This job takes approximately 20 to 40 minutes to complete. You don't need to remove the engine cover for this task, but I'm removing it so I can video the process more easily. Using a 10mm socket or wrench, remove the battery. Loosen the bellows screws and undo coolant and vacuum hoses. The coolant line may drip some antifreeze. You might want to have a rag ready. Push the green tab and slide off the vacuum hose. Pull off the bellows. Remove the coolant line and vacuum hoses from under the throttle body. Once again, you may want to have a rag ready because the coolant line may drip some antifreeze. Disconnect the control wire from the throttle body. Pop out the red retainer clip, then pull off the connector. This is actually very clean on this side, but the other side's pretty gunked up. If it's really bad, it can cause idle fluctuation problems and engine stalling. So I'm going to pull it off to clean it. Use a 10mm socket to loosen, then remove the 4 bolts. Once the throttle body is out, cleaning it is pretty easy. Make sure you use a cleaner engineered specifically for throttle bodies. Spray it in. As the cleaner softens up the deposits, wipe clean with a soft cloth. Replace the gasket before you bolt the throttle body back into place. Thread the 4 retaining bolts in by finger and then torque them down to between 72 to 106 inch-pounds. Reconnect the coolant and vacuum lines to the throttle body. Reconnect the throttle body control cable. Reinstall the bellows. And reconnect the vacuum and coolant hoses. As you reinstall the battery, put a thin film of dielectric grease on the terminals to reduce corrosion. If you took the engine cover off, reinstall it now. But again, it was not necessary to remove it for this task. Top up the antifreeze. Now for the moment of truth. Start the car.